Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to teach you how to do AUTENTICO Craquelure today. Now this is a two-step system, really simple to use, and hopefully you can do it at home. This is a brand new tray that we're going to give it a go with today. So I'm just going to sand it. No need to prime, just 120 grit sandpaper. You should be able to feel that you've created a key and also see it. So now it's time to put a couple of coats of paint on there. So the tray's had 2 coats now, and now we're ready to crack on with the Craquelure. So there's 2 steps to Craquelure. One step is your base coat and your second step is your top coat. So just make sure that you keep an eye on that, because otherwise your effect doesn't come out as well. So what I'm trying to do is make sure I'm applying it evenly, but I'm also hiding brush marks, just making sure that it's consistent. So the first coat is finished and should feel slightly tacky, and will have a sheen value to it. So now I'm going to do my top coat of Craquelure. I'm just going to make sure I give it a nice even coat like I did before. As you can see, the little porcelain cracks that Craquelure have created can be seen without a wax applied. But what I'm going to do, which looks really effective when you have a darker colour, is put our white chalk wax over the top. So I've got my wax brush, I've loaded it up. I'm just going to go over like you would paint, just nice, consistent, making sure you get a little bit of wax in every corner. I'm not worrying about how it looks at the moment because I'm going to buffer it. The only thing is it has started to clump in certain areas. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go over that, remove that wax in there and start to push it in to those crazed effects cracks. All white, waxed and finished. Super happy with the result. I've got some consistently big porcelain cracks in there. Guys, if you feel like you can get this done at home, then please give it a go. Like the video and subscribe to our channel.